Lemonway's Pay by Bank solution is a streamlined, secure way for customers to pay directly from their bank account, bypassing the need for cards. It's built on the principles of open banking and the European PSD2 directive, making the payment process faster and more secure for both platforms and users. Here's how the magic happens in just a few clicks. When a customer is ready to check out on an e-commerce platform or fund a payment account, they simply select the Pay by Bank option. Lemonway then acts as the secure intermediary, displaying a list of banks supported in the customer's region. The customer chooses their bank. Next, they are securely redirected to their own familiar online banking environment. This is the crucial step for security and convenience. The payment details, the amount and the recipient, are pre-filled, eliminating manual entry errors and ensuring the funds go to the right place. The customer then logs into their bank as usual, often completing strong customer authentication, or SCA, via a mobile app or a one-time code. This confirms their identity and authorizes the specific transaction directly with their bank. Once authorized, the payment is initiated instantly. Lemonway receives real-time confirmation of the payment status, allowing the platform to process the order or credit the account immediately. For businesses, this means higher payment acceptance rates, reduced risk of card chargebacks, and lower transaction costs compared to card payments. For users, it means a simple, secure, and cardless payment experience, leveraging the trust they already have in their bank. Lemonway's Pay by Bank solution is a clear example of how open banking is revolutionizing payments, making transactions effortless and robust across Europe's digital economy.